If you want to enable or disable one-handed keyboard on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we need to go to settings, scroll all the way down in the settings in order to find additional settings and choose it. And then here we want to go to languages and input, go to manage keyboards, and you should be able to find Gboard, the default keyboard that we have on our phone. After that we want to go to preferences, and after that scroll down to find one-handed mode. We can set it to left or right over here, and of course turn it off as well. So if you go to the keyboard, you should be able to find the change here, but in addition to that, once you open the keyboard, you can also manage one-handed mode. You can tap on this icon on the left side, and here we have one-handed, and as you can see, immediately we have one-handed mode. We can switch between left and right. We can use this icon in order to change the position, adjust it manually, and we can press done. And to go back to the normal mode, we can use this icon here above the arrow. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!